All right, folks, we got a freight train coming out here. An intermodal stacker. It could be the BNSF or the UP train. We got an eastbound freight train coming. It's a freight. This one is, that's a Union Pacific coming. Here she comes now. There you go, horn show. All right, folks, this is the intermodal stacker train. 7982 leaves off. 7982, 8781, 3938. Woohoo! Woohoo! Stacker train, eastbound. Joaquin, start counting those cars. Live action here at Richmond Station. This one must have came out from the Port of Oakland. I think this train is going to Roseville. This one could be the AOPNI or something. I gotta read the description. As I get the rail ferry, I might take the 7-Eleven to London Square for $10. This one has a helper. A DPU. 6817. 6817. Woohoo! This one has a DPU. All right, that's the end of it. All right, there she goes. Man, what a start! What a day to start your Friday. With 4 trains went by here at Richmond Station. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a good day. I am Marcel Hall. Please subscribe me, Marcel Hall, or CMH2, which is channel Marcel Hall Channel 2. I'm Marcel once again. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.